Yeah, you can start.
So here, question is, what is the use of data raptors? So data raptors are used to fetch the data and loading the data of the data from database. Salesforce data you want to load. So that time we will use the data raptor to fetch the data, loading of the data. There are different data. We have like data raptors are we have like server extract data raptors and data raptor load those we have. That's all. I have that idea only on data raptors. So what is the use of integration procedures, right? So integration procedures are used to perform the logic operations, like writing Apex class, like in so while you are writing Apex class, right, in the Apex programming. So that's the way integration procedures is mainly focused on the logic part. Mm, What is the user? Can HTTP action be called from OmniScript? Why do you prefer calling it from a separate IP? No, uh, from IP we have to call HTTP action. Uh, so in this way we have to make the HTTP action. Yeah. So here HTTP call out this is. So what is the use of HTTP action in Omni Studio? So to make a call out to third party, we will use the HTTP call out in Omni Studio to make the call out to the external systems you want to. What are the ways to handle HTTP errors? Uh, HTTP errors like based on status, right? If status code is equal to 200, that is a success status code. Uh, Status HTTP error particularly mm, in Omni Studio in integration point of view or Omni Studio. Mm, Previously HTTP. mm, Actually, integration HTTP errors I know, but these are Omni Studio I haven't worked on related to Omni Studio HTTP errors. I didn't face those things. Can we call one integration procedure from another IP? Yeah, it is possible we can call from one integration procedure to another integration procedure. Why why we are doing that? So integration to perform the different logics in say, right. So it is like calling a method in another method, calling a class in another class, like that in Apex, right? So here also we are doing the same, handling the same logic. Can a child IP be called in multiple times? Yeah, it is possible. You can call child integration procedure can call multiple times. It is possible. Can we call an integration procedure from Lightning Web Components? Integration from Lightning Web Components. As per my knowledge, it is not possible. Uh, uh, I previously integration. I haven't worked, but I have a knowledge on this one. Okay, it is possible. Yeah, Lightning Web Components, right? So I thought that it is possible. You can call integration procedure from LWC. How do you call an integration procedure from a flow? Integration IP from flow, right? From flow, yeah, LWC, Lightning Web Component we can call from flow. And integration procedure from a flow. By using invocable method, we can call those integration procedure from flow. Yeah, it is possible. Using invocable method, we can use. In this way, we can. Integration procedure. Right? I have an enrollment. Sorry, what is the question? I have an enrollment form that collects information and sends it to third party, gives a response, and we need to store details already saved in the enrollment if an error occurs. I have an enrollment form that collects information, sends into third party. Okay, we need to show. So the third party gives the response. We need to store the data already saved in the enrollment if an error occurs. How do you handle it? Store the data, explain in technical terms. So if an error occurs, how do we handle? So we are calling the third party systems in the we are calling the third party system from LWC integration questions, right? So that time mm, so I think so. I think mm,
Yeah, it's fine,
I,
Prashant. You are done with the interview. Our team will get back to you and give you the update. Thank you for joining the meet.
yeah, yeah. Okay. Thank you, Nazia. Thank you.